Hello guys, it's Safwan Aviation here and welcome back to another video. Today we will be flying on FlyJinnah from Islamabad to Karachi. Let's get started. Here we are at Islamabad's domestic terminal and about to enter the domestic departures section of the airport. Islamabad's airport is quite new and modern. And here we have the check-in desk and then moving on to the departure hall of the airport. It's quite empty. The domestic side of the airport, the international side, although I've never been there, still has some more restaurants and cafes. Here I am with my friends enjoying some coffee as well as the beautiful view outside the terminal building. The aircraft we will be flying today is an Airbus A320 CEO, which is the one with sharklets and was given to FlyJinnah from Air Arabia because Air Arabia owns FlyJinnah.
मेरी बनाओ स्लो mo montage
Of what?
sexy
टीम चल रहा 9:30 बजे फ्लाई करेंगे गाड़ी में उड़ा तो गाड़ी ना
The legroom on this aircraft is quite decent for a 2-hour flight, and I think up till a 4-hour flight this is solid. Other than that, it might get a little uncomfortable. And then here we have the tray table as well as the seat contents. One is for SkyTime, which is basically FlyJinnah's internet service, and you can connect your phone to this and watch TV shows and all sorts of stuff on your phone, as well as the safety card for this aircraft, which is in English and Urdu.
ऑक्सीजन मास्क करने की सूरत में अपने पहले से पहने हुए चेहरे के मास्क उतार के ऑक्सीजन मास्क को अपनी तरफ झटके से खींचिए ताकि ऑक्सीजन की बढ़ानी शुरू हो जाए। मास्क को खींचकर नाक को मुंह में रख लें, इलास्टिक दूरी सर को पहन लीजिए और इस पर मामूल सांस लीजिए। दूसरों की मदद करने से पहले अपना मास्क पहन लें। Should oxygen mask drop, don't remove your face or face shield mask. Pull yellow cap down, allow oxygen to flow. Place the yellow mask over your nose and mouth and secure it by pulling the elastic strip and breathe normally. Fit your own mask first before helping the others. इस जहाज में 8 हंगामी रास्ते हैं जो कि खुदकार तरीके से बाहर निकलने वाले स्लाइड से लेस हैं। अब हमारा अमला आपको जहाज के करीब तरीन रास्तों की निशानदेही करेगा। This aircraft is fitted with 8 emergency exits which are equipped with automatic evacuation slide. The cabin crew will now point out the nearest exits to you. फर्श में लगी हुई खुदकार पट्टियां जहाज से बाहर निकलने के रास्ते के जानिब की रहनुमाई करेंगे। The escape path lighting along the floor will guide you towards the nearest exits. बराए मेहरबानी परवाज़ से कबल हिफाजती हिदायत कार्ड जो कि सामने वाले डिशेस के जिम्मे मौजूद है इसे पढ़ लें। All safety instructions can be found on the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please read it before takeoff. खौफनाक जहाज के नेविगेशन और मवासलती निज़ाम में मुदाखलत से बचने के लिए टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग के दौरान ज़ाती इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अशिया जैसे सीडी प्लेयर और कंप्यूटर्स और मोबाइल फ़ोन मुकम्मल तौर पर बंद कर दें। जहाज में सिगरेट या शराब नोशी की इजाज़त नहीं है। स्मोक डिटेक्टर तमाम बैतुल खला में लगाए गए हैं। आपकी तवज्जो का शुक्रिया। Ladies and gentlemen, to avoid interfering with the aircraft navigation system and communication system, multiple electronic items such as tablets, computers are to be switched off during takeoff and landing. Mobile phone must be switched on completely all the time. Smoking and drinking alcohol is not permitted anywhere in this aircraft. Smoke detectors are fitted in all toilets. Thank you for your attention. Press ready for takeoff.
Being a low-cost airline, FlyJinnah does not serve any food or beverages included in the ticket cost. Rather, you have to buy it separately, either online before your flight or during the flight. And since this was just a 2-hour flight and I already had some snacks at the airport, I just decided to go with a Coke. As well as here is the window view midway into the flight, complete darkness outside.
Please be reminded to keep your mobile phones and personal electronic devices. Thank you for your cooperation and we hope that you have enjoyed your flight this morning. Thank you.
And here is a screen recording of SkyTime, one aspect of FlyJinnah that I feel is superior to other Pakistani airlines because none of them have in-flight entertainment systems. SkyTime is absolutely free. You can log into it once you're in the air, and the cabin crew has announced that it can be logged into. It has all sorts of movies and TV shows, and I feel like other Pakistani carriers should also implement such an in-flight entertainment system instead of the screens, and the menu for the flight is also available on SkyTime. And here we have slowly started our descent into Karachi. It was a very quick flight, very short flight, nothing special, nothing out of the ordinary. I was quite comfortable the whole time. So let's get into the beautiful Karachi lighting and nighttime views as we descend.
बांधे रहने का इशारा बंद नहीं हो जाता तब तक आप अपनी डिशेस की पेटी को बांधे रखें और अपनी डिशेस पर बैठे रहें। तैयारी से बाहर निकलने से कबल अपना तमाम सारी सामान अपने साथ ले जाना ना भूलें। मुकम्मल एहतियात से अपना बलाई खाना खोलें क्योंकि परवास के दौरान सामान इधर उधर मुंतकिल हो सकते हैं। फ्लाई जिन्ना का इंतखाब करने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया। हम आपके बेहतरीन क़याम के ख्वाहिशमंद हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपसे जल्दी फ्लाई जिन्ना की परवास में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। शुक्रिया। Ladies and gentlemen, thank you on board FlyJinnah King. Thank you.
Gentlemen, we have just landed. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. When you leave the aircraft,
Thank you for following me on this trip report. It was rather short, but I had a lot of fun on this trip with my friends as well as on FlyJinnah. And I would recommend FlyJinnah to anybody flying domestically within Pakistan because they've got superior service as well as very low fares. Thank you for watching and goodbye.